Hello friends, let's see circulatory system in human, that is blood vascular system. Let's see blood composition and coagulation. Blood is a mixture of solid in a large amount, near about 55% of a liquid called plasma. Let's see components of blood. There are four major components of blood. First one, plasma, which consists 92% of water. It transports blood solids, nutrients, hormones and other materials. Second one, RBC cells means red blood cells or corpuscles, which carry oxygen to cell and carbon dioxide away from them. WBC, white blood cells or corpuscles. It helps fight disease and infection by attacking germs that enter the body. And fourth one, platelets, which help blood from a clot at the site of wound. A clot seals a cut and prevent excessive blood loss. Let's see plasma, which consists 90 to 92% water, 8 to 10% solute, 7% proteins like serum, albumin, globulin, heparin, fibrinogen, and prothrombin. Other materials like glucose, amino acids, fatty acid, glycerol, nitrogenous waves like urea, uric acid, ammonia, and creatinine. It also consists gases like O2, CO2, nitrogen, and hormones and enzymes. It also consists inorganic substances like bicarbonates, chlorides, phosphate, sulfate like Na, sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. Let's see RBCs or erythrocytes. RBCs are disc-shaped cells that lodge their nucleus at maturity. Nucleated in animal like camel. The size about 7 micron and diameter near about 2.5 micrometer thick. They are about 5.1 to 5.8 million per cubic mm of blood in adult male, and in female near about 4.3 to 5.2 in female. The lifespan of RBC are 120 days. Make up about 99% of blood's cellular components. The RBC shows a red color due to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a complex protein made up of 4 protein strands. Iron used to form heme group. Each hemoglobin molecule can carry 4 oxygen atoms. The presence of oxygen turns hemoglobin bright red. In adult male, hemoglobin content is about 13 to 18 gram per 100 ml of blood. In adult female, 11.5 to 16.5 gram per 100 ml of blood. RBC lifespan. RBC lives about 4 months, means 120 days. Iron from hemoglobin is recycled in liver and spleen. The hormones erythropoietin made up by the kidney stimulate the production of RBC in bone marrow. Erythropoiesis means the formation of RBC is called as erythropoiesis. Disorders like polycythemia means increase in RBC number, as compared to normal. Second one, erythrocytopenia, decrease in RBC number as compared to normal. Here you can see the RBC cycle. Let's see, white blood cells, or it also called as leukocytes. It is colorless, nucleated, amoeboid and phagocytic cells. The size of RBC are 8 to 15 micrometer. Their number are 500 to 900 per cubic mm of blood. Lifespan is about 3 to 4 days. The WBC cells defend against disease by recognizing proteins that do not belong to the body. The WBC are able to ooze through the wall of capillaries to patrol the tissues and reach the lymph system called diapediosis. Let's see, leukopoiesis means the formation of WBC. The disorders like leukocytosis, leukocytosis, increasing number of WBC as compared to normal. Leukopenia, decrease in number of WBC. Leukemia, pathological increase in number of WBC. Let's see, white blood cells or leukocytes. There are 5 types of WBC cells are present in the body. First one, neutrophils. Stain with neutral dye, nucleus is 3 to 5 lobes, hence called polymorphonuclear leukocytes. 70% of total WBC neutrophils are present, phagocytic in function and engulf microbes. Eosinophils. These cells are stained with acidic dye such as eosin. Nucleus is bilobe and near about 3% of total WBC eosinophils are present. It shows antihistamine property. Increase in eosin or eosinophil cells is called as eosinophilia. Basophils. It stained with basic dye such as methylene blue. Nucleus is twisted and 0.5% of total WBC they are present in blood. They are non-phagocytic, release heparin, that is anticoagulant, and histamine, that is anti-allergic reaction. Lymphocytes. Nucleus is large, round. They are present 30% of total WBC and it produces antibodies. And last one, monocytes. The nucleus is large and kidney shaped. Near about 5% of total WBC and it produces antibodies. They are also phagocytic in function, means engulf microbes and exhaust out through phagocytosis. Enlarge at the site of infection and become large macrophage body. Hence it is called as scavengers. Let's see platelets. These cells fragment used in blood clotting. Platelets are derived from megakaryocytes because they lack a nucleus. Platelets have a short lifespan, usually about 10 days. It consists diameter 2.5 to 5 micron. They present near about 2.5 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. The process of formation of platelets is called as thrombopoiesis. Disorders like thrombocytosis means increase in platelet number and decrease in platelet number is called as thrombocytopenia. The thromboblastin pigment helps in blood clotting. Let's see blood clotting. Platelets aggregate at the site of wound. The broken cells and platelet release chemical to stimulate thrombin production. This thrombin converts the protein fibrinogen into sticky fibrin, which bind the blood clot or produce a thrombus.